Pomelo peel water, the hidden health benefits and what we often throw away. What exactly is pomelo peel water, and how can something we usually discard become a lifesaver for so many people? Today, we're going to find out. Besides just being a foot deodorizer, pomelo peel water offers many other incredible health benefits, from helping to reduce coughs and improving blood circulation to managing blood cholesterol. In this video, we'll explore each benefit in detail in a way that's easy to understand, and most importantly, show you how to make pomelo peel water at home for immediate use. Are you ready? Let's get started. What is pomelo peel water? What exactly is pomelo peel water, and why can something we usually throw away become a treasure trove for our health? Imagine this. Every time you eat a grapefruit, you peel off that shiny green or yellow rind and toss it in the trash, completely unaware that it contains valuable nutrients. The grapefruit peel is not trash. It's a natural ingredient with countless benefits, from body care to promoting overall health. Today, we'll explore 3 main benefits of pomelo peel water that everyone can use to improve their daily life. Benefit 1. Fights foot odor and soothes tired feet. Let's start with the story of Billy, a rideshare driver in New York City. One of his biggest problems was foot odor and fatigue from working all day. Pomelo peel water was the solution he discovered. But why does it work so well? Grapefruit peel contains natural essential oils with a fresh scent and excellent antibacterial and deodorizing properties. When you boil the peels, the essential oils dissolve into the water, creating a solution that not only cleans, but also eliminates the odor-causing bacteria on your skin. It doesn't just get rid of odor. Pomelo peel water also helps relax muscles and improve blood circulation in your feet. If you're someone who stands for long periods, walks a lot, or feels your feet are heavy at the end of the day, soaking them in warm pomelo peel water will make you feel as refreshed as a massage. The active compounds in the peel stimulate blood flow, reduce swelling, and lessen the feeling of fatigue. Have you ever felt your feet ache after a long day? Imagine this. With just a bowl of warm water and a few grapefruit peels, you can transform your evening into an at-home spa. What do you think of this idea? Be sure to comment and let me know if you'd like to try this right away. Benefit 2. Helps reduce coughs and thin phlegm. Next, pomelo peel water is an excellent friend to the respiratory system, especially for those who often have coughs or phlegm in their throat. In traditional herbal medicine, grapefruit peel has long been used to help treat respiratory problems, especially in the elderly and children. This is due to the volatile compounds in the peel, such as limonene and flavonoids. These substances help thin phlegm, making it easier for you to clear it from your body while also relieving chronic coughs. Imagine you're facing a cold day in Chicago, and the damp air makes you cough nonstop. Just drinking a warm cup of pomelo peel water will make your throat feel better and help you breathe easier. The great thing is that pomelo peel water is completely natural with no chemicals, so it's safe for everyone in the family. Does anyone in your home often cough when the weather changes? If so, try using pomelo peel water and share the results with us in the comments. I'm truly curious to see if this method works for you, just as it has helped thousands of others. Benefit 3. Helps manage blood cholesterol and promotes heart health. Finally, a benefit many people might not know, but is very important. Pomelo peel water can help manage blood cholesterol and protect heart health. Grapefruit peels contain potent flavonoids, vitamin C, and antioxidants. These substances help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, levels in the blood and prevent cholesterol absorption from food. If you're someone who enjoys fried foods or is concerned about your heart health, pomelo peel water could be an excellent helper. Think about it. By simply drinking a glass of pomelo peel water a day, you're not only nourishing your skin with vitamin C, but also protecting your heart. This method is simple, economical, and a completely natural way to take care of your body. Have you ever heard about using grapefruit peel to support heart health before? If not, don't miss out, because next we'll get to the most interesting part: how to make pomelo peel water at home, easily and effectively. How to make pomelo peel water at home. Now that we know how wonderful pomelo peel water is, the big question is, how do you make it at home? Don't worry, the process is very simple, doesn't take long, and the ingredients are likely already in your kitchen. Let's look at the steps one by one to turn the grapefruit peels you often discard into a health secret that will help you feel stronger and more confident every day. Are you ready to take notes? If not, grab a pen and paper, or even better, try making it along with me. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. First, you need to prepare the grapefruit peels. You can use fresh peels immediately after eating the grapefruit, or use dried peels if you want to store them for a long time. For fresh peels, choose grapefruits with smooth, unbruised rinds, as these have the most essential oils. You'll need the peels from 1 to 2 grapefruits per batch, depending on the amount of water you want. If you want to use dried peels, dry the fresh peels in a sunny, breezy spot for 1 to 2 days until they are completely dry. Then store them in a sealed bag or glass jar for later use. Do you have a habit of saving your grapefruit peels after eating them, or do you usually throw them away immediately? Share your habits in the comments, because after this video, you might start hoarding grapefruit peels like they're treasure. Step 2. Wash and prepare the grapefruit peels. Before boiling, you must clean the peels to remove any dust and chemicals. Wash the grapefruit peels under clean, running water. Use a soft brush to gently scrub the surface. If you're concerned about pesticides, soak the peels in a diluted salt solution for about 10 minutes, then rinse them thoroughly again. Next, cut the grapefruit peels into small pieces, about 2 to 3 centimeters in size, so that the essential oils are released easily when you boil them. Checkpoint: the washed peels should have a unique, fresh scent with no strange or chemical smells. If you get that fresh aroma, you've done this step correctly. Step 3. Boil the pomelo peel water. Put the cut peels into a pot. Add about 2 to 3 liters of clean water. Bring to a boil over medium heat, then reduce the heat to a low simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. While it's boiling, you'll smell the fragrant grapefruit oils spreading throughout the kitchen. This is the sign that the nutrients are being released. To check if the water is ready, look for it to have a light yellow color and a subtle fragrance. If you want the water to be more concentrated, you can boil it for another 5 minutes, but don't boil it for too long as the essential oils might evaporate. After boiling, let the water cool before using. Are you eager to try this weekend? Comment and let me know if you'll use the pomelo peel water to soak your feet, drink it, or both. Step 4. Storage and usage. If you make a large batch of pomelo peel water, strain out the peels and pour the water into a clean glass bottle. Store it in the refrigerator. The water can be kept for about 3 to 5 days while retaining all its properties. Each time you use it, you can warm the water slightly if you want to soak your feet, or drink it warm to help your respiratory system. Precautions when using pomelo peel water. For the best results and to avoid side effects, you need to consider a few important things. First, do not drink pomelo peel water on an empty stomach, as the natural acids in the peel can irritate the stomach. It's best to drink it about 30 minutes after a meal. Second, you should drink a moderate amount, about 1 to 2 small glasses per day, and avoid using it continuously for a long time to prevent any effects on your digestive system. If using it for a foot soak, make sure the water is at a comfortable warm temperature, not too hot to prevent skin scalding. And finally, if you are taking medication or have health issues like gastritis, you should consult a doctor before using pomelo peel water regularly.
Do you know any other tips for using grapefruit peels? Share them with us in the comments so we can learn together. We've just explored a fascinating journey with pomelo peel water. From what seemed like a worthless item in the trash, it's become a simple but incredibly effective natural solution for health. Let's review what we've learned today. Pomelo peel water not only helps fight foot odor, it makes feet feel light and comfortable as it changed the life of Billy, the rideshare driver in New York City, but it also helps reduce coughs, thins phlegm, and helps you breathe easier on days with changing weather. And most importantly, pomelo peel water is a great ally in managing blood cholesterol and protecting your heart from potential risks. What's the best part? You don't have to spend a lot of money or find expensive ingredients, just grapefruit peels, something almost every household has, and 30 minutes on a weekend, and you can create a natural medicine for yourself and your family. Think about it. A small change in habit, like saving grapefruit peels instead of throwing them away, can bring confidence, health, and happiness in life. Are you excited to know that simple things around us can have such great power? Comment and share your feelings about this tip. Maybe you've used grapefruit peels in other ways, or you're excited to try this right after this video. I want to hear your story. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button to support us. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, those who might need a natural way to take care of their health. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the tips we'll bring you. Every week, we'll share great tips and practical knowledge to help you live a healthier, more confident, and happier life. Are you ready to be part of this healthy community? Comment with the words "healthy living" to let me know you're on this journey with us. Thanks to everyone for watching the video until the very end. Start with pomelo peel water today, and together we'll turn something simple into a powerhouse for health. See you in the next video.